Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set a new Safari profile to keep your browsing separated on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Safari. Next, scroll down and go to the profile section and then tap on new profile. In here you can set a profile name. So here I'm just going to call it school. You can give it an icon and a color, and then we go down and then in settings you can choose favorites. So we'll create a folder, your favorite folder. You can create a new folder, or you can use a suggested folder name. In here, open new tabs on start page. So here is the default on start page, and then tap on done to start creating a new profile. When you create a new profile, another profile will be created called personal. This is the default. So now you have two profiles. One is your personal, the other one is school, and you can create another one, say for work or playtime. And that's it. So once you have created a new profile, you can choose which profile to use in your Safari web browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.